shifting our focus to big news that's coming in as far as the electoral bonds case in Supreme Court is concerned. SBI files the compliance affidavit, and what we do know so far is that 22,217 bonds have been purchased from 2019 to 2024. SBI says 22,030 bonds redeemed in the same period. Also important to note here that uncashed bonds transferred to Prime Minister Relief Fund. So that's the significant input that we are picking up as far as this is concerned. Now, what we do also know that what is important to note here in the affidavit is that the amount of the electoral bonds which were not encashed by the political party within the validity period of 15 days during this period have been transferred to Prime Minister's National Relief Fund is what we're learning so far. But let's also tell you that the SBI states that the information was made available to the ECI in digital form, that is, whereas a total number of 22,217 bonds were purchased during the period between 1st of April 2019 and 15th of February 2024. In fact, the State Bank of India has also told the Supreme Court that they've submitted the date of purchase, the denomination and the name of buyer were recorded, and in relation to the political parties, the date of encashment and the denominations of the bonds have been encashed. So that is the significant update that we are picking up as far as the electoral bonds case in the top court is concerned. Now, the SBI, of course, has filed the compliance affidavit, and we're telling you the important points, the key takeaway, in fact, as far as this is concerned. Let's tell you essentially what the bank has told the court. In fact, let me go to my colleague Harish to get us more perspective on that. Harish, significant development. What are the key takeaways that we should know as far as what the SBI has said in this affidavit?
Yes, in fact, after the Supreme Court ultimatum, as we know that yesterday the State Bank of India had furnished all the entire data related to the electoral bonds purchased so far, the denomination of the purchases and the beneficiary political parties. All these have been given to the Election Commission of India. This affidavit has been filed by the SBI CMD Dinesh Khara. This affidavit, in fact, says that a total number of 22,217 bonds were purchased during the period between 1/4/2019 and 15/2/2024. Total number of bonds purchased are 22,217, and total number of bonds redeemed is 22,030. And what is an interesting point is that the affidavit also says that the amount of the electoral bonds which were not encashed by the political party within the validity period of 15 days during this period have been transferred to Prime Minister's National Relief Fund as per the Gazette notification number 20 dated 2/1/2018. In fact, one thing is clear that this affidavit says, according to this affidavit, in fact, all these details will have to be uploaded by the Election Commission of India on its website by 5 p.m. on March 15 as per the Supreme Court directions. So one thing is almost clear that this will have purchase date of electoral bonds, purchases name, amount of bond, details of EB contributions received by each party, and how much each party received is in fact already in public domain. And what we will have, what we'll know is full list of those who purchased electoral bonds, date of purchase and amount, details of list
Harish,
of recipients.
I have to interject you there, but for the moment, thank you very much for joining us on the broadcast and helping us better understand the key takeaways of this. We'll keep coming back to